Hello everyone and welcome back yet another lecture of SM online class. In the last class we already discussed exercise 12b dot product. Okay, and in this class we are going to discuss some objective question on dot product. Okay, so let us start. So first question, right angle between vector A and vector B with magnitude with magnitude root 3 and 2 having vector A dot vector B equal to root 6. Okay, this is the question, and this question is coming on AI 2011, All India 2011. So here the question, we have to find out the angle between vector A and vector B with magnitude root 3 and 2 having scalar product that is root 6. Okay, so we know that cos theta equal to what? That is vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. Okay, so here we have to find out the value of theta. So here A dot B equal to what? Root 6. Okay, and here magnitude is equal to what? That is root 3 and another is 2. Okay, so root 6 by root 3 into 2, that is equal to what? 1 upon root 2. Okay, so cos theta equal to 1 upon root 2, or implies that theta equal to cos inverse 1 upon root 2. Okay, so cos inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to what? That is pi upon 4. So this is the answer. Okay, answer is what? Pi upon 4. Now move to question number second. This is the question number 1. Now question number second. Question number second, if vector A and vector B, if vector A and vector B are two unit vector, such that vector A plus vector B is also a unit vector, then find the angle between vector A and vector B. Then find angle between vector A and vector B. Okay, it is the question. We have to find out angle between vector A and vector B, and it is given that vector A and vector B are two unit vectors, means their magnitude is 1, and also vector A plus vector B is also unit vector, that means their magnitude is 1. जदि आमे याको जदि डायग्राम करिके जदि आमे बुझो चेष्टा करबा ताहले इजी होबो सपोज दिस इज a cap is unit vector okay and this is b cap is also unit vector that means magnitude is 1 its magnitude is 1 okay and it is the resultant vector which is a cap plus b cap and it is also unit vector 1. That means what? The triangle is what? Equilateral. And now we have to find out the angle between vector A and vector B. So this is the vector A and it is the angle between what? Vector A cap and B cap. Okay. It is the angle between vector A and vector B. Okay. So this angle and this angle is equal to what? That is 120 degree. Okay. So जदि आमे जदि याकू प्रूफ करी करबा ताहले कोन करबा देख a cap vector A plus vector B is also a unit vector कहिछि that means vector A plus vector B magnitude equal to what 1 okay ताहले यार होल स्क्वायर भी केते हिजिवो 1 हिजिवो okay now आमे लिखि पारिबा magnitude of a square को हम कोन लिखु that is vector a dot vector a okay तो हम याको लिखि पारिबा कोन vector a plus vector b dot vector a plus vector b equal to 1 okay और implies that dot product distributive over vector addition जदि कर दबा ताले केते आसीबो that is magnitude of a square plus magnitude of vector b ro square plus 2 into vector a dot vector b okay equal to 1 or implies that this is equal to 1 magnitude of a that is unit vector this is also 1 okay and this equal to what 2 into magnitude of a into magnitude of b and let theta is the angle between them that is cos theta equal to 1 okay so 1 1 cancel okay or implies that this is equal to 1 this is equal to 1 so 2 into 1 into 1 cos theta equal to what 1 ta the right side jibo tahale -1 hobo or implies that cos theta equal to minus half or implies that theta equal to what 2 pi upon 3 okay it is the answer so theta that is angle between vector A and vector B is what that is 2 pi upon 3. This is question number 2. Now move to question number 3. Question number 3 is if a cap is a unit vector if a cap is a unit vector if a cap is a unit vector and vector x minus a cap dot vector x plus a cap equal to 8 okay then find magnitude of vector x okay now this is a question we have to find out magnitude of vector x and it is given that what a cap is a unit vector that means a cap is a unit vector means what magnitude of a cap equal to 1 okay and x vector minus a cap dot x vector minus a cap dot x vector plus a cap equal to what that is 8 okay and we know that dot product distributive over vector addition. Okay, so it is equal to what? Magnitude of vector x dot x plus vector x dot a cap, okay, minus vector a cap dot x vector minus plus minus, that is a cap dot a cap equal to 8. Okay, and this is plus and this is minus, cancel, so we get magnitude of vector x square minus a cap square equal to 8. Okay, or that implies that magnitude of x whole square equal to this vector is a cap magnitude is equal to what? 1. So right hand side, that is 8 plus 1 equal to what? 9. Okay, or implies that magnitude of vector x equal to what? That is 3. In algebra, this is x square equal to 9, so x equal to plus minus 3. But magnitude is not be negative. Okay, length is always positive. Length is always be positive. Always positive. So taking magnitude of x equal to what? 3. So 3 is the correct answer. Now move to question number 4. Now question number 4. If vector A and vector B are two vectors, if vector A and vector B are two vectors, okay, if vector A and vector B are two vectors such that magnitude of vector A equal to 2, magnitude of vector A equal to 1, and vector A dot vector B equal to 1, okay, then 3 into vector A minus 5 into vector B dot 2 into vector A plus 7 into vector B equal to x. Okay, it's what? This question is Delhi 2011. Now, what is the solution? It is given that this is 2, this is 1, and scalar product, that is 1. So here we have to find out 3 into vector A minus 5 into vector B dot 2 into vector A plus 7 into vector B. Okay, so dot product distributive over vector addition, that is 3 2 just 6 into magnitude of A square. Okay, plus 3 7 that is 21 into vector A dot vector B plus, sorry, minus 5 into 10, that is 10 into vector A dot vector B, and this is minus plus minus 5 7 that is 35 into magnitude of vector B square. Okay, so it is equal to magnitude of A, that is 2, so 6 into 2 square plus 2 into 21 into magnitude vector A dot vector B, that is 1 minus 10 into vector A dot vector B, that is 1 minus magnitude of vector B, that is 1, so 35 into 1. Okay, that is 4, 6 4 that 24. Okay, 24 plus this is 21 minus 10. Okay, 21 minus 10. 21 minus 10, that is 111. Okay, and this is minus 35. So 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3, that is 0. So the value of 3 into vector A minus 5 into vector B dot 2 into vector A plus 7 into vector B equal to what? 0. Okay, now move to next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Write the value of lambda. Write value of lambda. Write value of lambda so that vector A equal to 2i cap plus lambda j cap, 2i cap plus lambda j cap plus k cap, and vector B equal to I cap minus 2j cap, I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap are perpendicular to each other, are perpendicular to each other. This is Delhi 2013. Okay, now we have to find out the value of lambda, and we know that two vectors are perpendicular if their dot product is what? 0. So here vector A dot vector B equal to 0, or implies that 2 into 1, okay, 2 into 1, that is 2. Lambda into minus 2, that is minus 2 lambda, okay, and 3 plus 1, that is plus 3, equal to 5, or implies that minus 2 lambda equal to minus 5, or implies that lambda equal to what? That is 5 upon 2. Okay, so answer is what? 5 upon 2. Now move to question number 6. Question number 6. If A cap, B cap, C cap, if A cap, B cap, C cap are mutually perpendicular, are mutually perpendicular unit vector, mutually perpendicular unit vector, then find value of two into A cap plus B cap plus C cap, and this is AI 2015. Now question is that A cap, B cap, C cap are mutually perpendicular unit vector. Okay, they are mutually perpendicular vectors and unit vector. That means A cap magnitude equal to B cap magnitude equal to C cap magnitude equal to what? 1. And also mutually perpendicular means A cap dot B cap equal to B cap dot C cap equal to C cap dot A cap equal to 0. Okay, now we need to find out the value of 2 into A cap plus B cap plus C cap. Okay, 2 into a cap plus b cap plus c cap okay और we need तो याको आमे नै जिबा कोन यार स्क्वायर नै जिबा फॉर कैलकुलेशन पर्पस जदि आमे स्क्वायर नवा ताहे डॉट प्रोडक्ट बाहर करि परिबा ओके सो लास्ट को आमे स्क्वायर को हटे दे परिबा ओके नाउ इट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट दैट इज 2 into a cap plus b cap plus c cap dot 2 into a cap plus b cap plus c cap okay so dot product distributive over vector addition that is 2 into 2 that is 4 a cap dot a cap now plus 2 into a cap dot b cap plus 2 into a cap dot c cap okay now this is 2 into b cap dot a cap okay plus b cap dot b cap okay plus b cap dot c cap okay and last term that is plus 2 into c cap dot a cap plus c cap dot b cap plus c cap dot c cap okay so here we know that a cap dot b cap 0 a cap dot c cap 0 b cap dot a cap 0 b cap dot c cap 0 c cap dot a cap 0 c cap dot b cap 0 okay তাহলে রহিলা কোন টার্ম that is 4 into a cap dot a cap it is equal to what 4 into 1 that is a cap dot a cap that is magnitude of a square okay magnitude of a square that is 1 now b cap dot b cap that is magnitude of b cap square that is 1 okay plus c cap dot c cap that is magnitude of c cap square that is 1 equal to what 4 plus 1 that is 6 okay or implies that 2 into a cap plus b cap plus c cap magnitude equal to root 6 okay this is the answer now move to question number 7 Question number 7. Find the angle between vector. Find angle between vectors I cap minus j cap. I cap minus j cap and z cap minus k cap okay and z cap minus k cap a very simple question okay cos theta equal to what that is dot product of this vector and this vector okay that is 1 into 0 I cap that is minus 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 1 and minus z cap and 0 the 0 into minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 upon 1 square plus minus 1 square that is root 2 and 1 square plus minus 1 square that is root 2 okay so it is equal to what minus 1 upon 2 or imply that theta equal to what that is 2 pi upon okay now move to next question that is question number 8 question number 8 find the projection of the vectors find projection of the vectors find projection I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap. I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap on the vectors 2I cap minus 3j cap plus 7k cap. Okay. This is the question. Find projection of this vector on this vector. Okay. Suppose this is vector A and this is vector B. Okay. So projection, that means what? Find projection कहिछि. Okay. Find the projection of the vectors कहिछि. That means scalar projection. Okay. कौन होगा? Scalar projection होगा. That is vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector B. Vector A on vector B कहिछि. That is vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector B. Okay. Now move to question number 9. फॉर्मूला वैल्यू गुडा पुट करके आंसर टा आसीबो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. If vector A and vector B, if vector A and vector B, two unit vectors, then find angle between vector and two unit vector, find angle between vector A and vector B. Then find angle between vector A and vector B. Given that root 3 into vector A minus vector B is a unit vector. It's a unit vector. Okay. Question is vector A and vector B are two unit vectors. Then find the angle between vector A and vector B. If this is a unit vector, we have magnitude of vector A equal to 1 and magnitude of vector B is also 1. And here root 3 into vector A minus vector B magnitude is also 1. ताहले हम तार स्क्वायरिंग करि परिबा, that is 1, and this is equal to what? That is root 3 into vector A minus vector B dot root 3 into vector A minus vector B equal to 1. Okay, or implies that root 3 into 3, that is root 3 into root 3, that is 3 into magnitude of A square. Okay, minus root 3 into vector A dot vector B. Okay, minus this is root 3 into vector B dot vector A. Okay, and this is minus minus plus, that is magnitude of vector B square equal to 1. Okay, now implies that this is equal to 1, so it is 3 into 1, and this is minus 2 into root 3 vector A dot vector B plus 1, okay, equal to 1. Okay, now this is 3 and this is 1, 4. Okay, so right hand side this is 1, so we get what? We get minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, this is a dot b, that is magnitude of a into magnitude of vector b cos theta, if theta is the angle between them. Okay, now this is 3 and 1 cancel to each other, and it is on the right hand side, that is what, this is 3, so it is equal to minus 3. Okay, now implies that this is 1, this is 1. Okay, so it is equal to what, vector a dot vector b, sorry, this is 1 1, then cos theta. Okay, then cos theta equal to what, that is 3 upon 2 root 3. Okay, cos theta equal to what, 3 upon 2 root 3, and we have simplified, that is 3 into root 3 upon 2 root 3 into root 3 is equal to what, 3, 2 into 3, 3 cancel, that is root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. So theta equal to what, theta equal to cos inverse root 3 by 2, and which is equal to what, that is pi by 6. Okay, or implies that theta equal to what, pi by 6. Now move to question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10, find magnitude of vector a minus vector b if two vectors vector a and vector b are such that magnitude of vector a equal to 2, magnitude of vector b equal to 3, and vector a dot vector b equal to what, 4. Okay, now we need to find out vector a minus vector b magnitude if two vectors vector a and vector b are such that magnitude of vector a is 2, magnitude of vector b is equal to 3, and scalar product is what, 4. Now magnitude of vector a minus vector b ଆମେ ଲେଖି ପାରିବା कोन तार स्क्वायर. ओके, दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, वेक्टर a minus vector b dot vector a minus vector b. Okay, and it is equal to what, that is vector a dot vector b minus vector a dot vector b minus vector b dot vector a plus vector b dot vector b. Okay, and it is equal to what, magnitude of a square minus, that is 2 into vector a dot vector b plus magnitude of vector b square. Okay, and equal to what, this is 2 square, 4 minus a dot b, that is 4, that is 2 into 4, and magnitude of b, that is 9. Okay, so it is equal to what, 4 minus 8 plus 9 is equal to what, 5, or implies that vector a minus vector b magnitude equal to what, root 5, because length is always be positive. Okay, now next question number 11. Okay, move to question number 11. Question अच्छी prove that for any two vectors, for any two vectors, vector A and vector B, vector A and vector B, magnitude of vector A dot vector B is less than equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. Okay, so we know that vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B equal to what? Cos theta. Okay, we know that vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B equal to what? Cos theta. If I take both side magnitude, it is also same. Okay, and we know that the value of cos theta is less than equal to 1. Okay, it's less than equal to 1. Okay, so if we put this value in this equation, we get what? Magnitude of vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B is less than equal to 1. Okay, that implies that magnitude of vector A dot vector B is less than equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. Okay, now move to question number 12. And 12 is that if vector A equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, okay, and vector B equal to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, okay, and vector C equal to 3i cap plus j cap are such that vector A plus lambda into vector B is perpendicular to vector C. Then find value of lambda. Okay. It is a very important question. Vector A equal to this one, vector B equal to vector C देछि हमको and हमको देछि आउटे कोन vector A plus lambda into vector B is perpendicular to vector C. That means vector A plus lambda into vector B dot vector C equal to kete hobo 0. That means two vectors are perpendicular if their dot product is 0. Now vector A देछि kete 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, okay, plus lambda into vector B देछि kete minus I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, okay. This is vector A plus lambda into vector B, okay. Again देछि कोन dot देछि dot vector C, that is dot product of 3i cap plus j cap equal to 0, okay. equal to 0, or implies that this is 2 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda, okay, 2 minus lambda into I cap. Now plus 2 plus 2 lambda, 2 plus 2 lambda into j cap, okay, plus 3 plus lambda, plus 3 plus lambda into k cap, okay, and this is dot product of what, 3 I cap plus j cap equal to 0. Now 2 minus lambda into 3, okay, plus 2 lambda into 1, and there is no k cap, so it's 0, or implies that 2 minus lambda into 3 plus 2 plus 2 lambda, 2 plus 2 lambda into 1 equal to 0, and we get 6 minus 3 lambda, 6 minus 3 lambda, okay, plus 2 plus 2 lambda equal to 0, or implies that 6 plus 2, that is 8, okay, 6 plus 2, that is 8, and minus 3 lambda plus lambda, minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda, that is minus lambda, so lambda equal to 8, okay, the value of lambda equal to what, the value of lambda equal to 8. Now move to question number 13. Question number 13. Question number 13. If the dot product of a vector, if dot product of a vector with vector if dot product of a vector with vector 3i cap minus 5k cap, 3i cap minus 5k cap, 2i cap plus 7j cap, okay, and I cap plus j cap plus k cap, I cap plus j cap plus k cap are respectively minus 165. Then find the vectors. Then find vectors. Okay. So here we need to find out a vector. Okay. And dot product of that vector is minus 1, dot product of that vector is 6, and dot product of the vector with this vector is what, 5. Okay, so now let us consider a vector. Okay, suppose this is vector A, 3i cap minus 5k cap. This is suppose vector B, that is 2i cap plus 7j cap, okay, and let it is vector C, that is I cap plus j cap plus k cap, okay. Now let a vector D, which is xi cap plus yj cap plus z k cap, okay. Let us consider, we need to find out the value of x, y and z, okay. So according to question, what vector D dot vector A equal to what, minus 1, okay, and vector d dot vector b equal to what? 6, and vector d dot vector c equal to what? That is 5. Okay, তাহলে ইকুয়েশনটা কোন হবে? vector d dot vector a, that is 3x plus what? Vector d, that is 3x minus 5z. 3x minus 5z equal to what? Minus 1. Okay, so vector d dot vector b, that is 2x plus 7y. 2x plus 7y equal to what? That is 6. And the last one is, that is x plus y plus z equal to what? 5. Okay, we need to solve these three equations to find out the value of x, y and z, and putting this value of x, y, z in this equation, which is our required vectors. Okay, now to solve now first this is equation first, let this is equation second, and let this is equation third. Okay, now first solve the equation second and third to cancelling y. Okay, so in equation second it is 2x plus 7y equal to 6. Okay, and in this equation we multiply 7, that is 7x plus 7y, okay, plus 7z equal to 7 5s, that is 35. Okay, now this is minus 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 minus, and it is cancelled, and finally we get what? 2x minus 7x, 2x minus 7x, that is minus 5x. Clear? Now this is minus 7z. Okay, and this is 35 minus 6 plus minus minus 6, that is minus 29. Okay, and it is written as 5x plus 7z, okay, equal to 29. Okay, let equation IV. Okay, 5x plus 7z equal to 29, and it is equation first, and solving the equation IV and first to cancelling whatever, that is x and z. Okay, so I cancel 2x, that is here 3 is multiplied, equation IV into 3. Okay, equation IV into 3, that is 15x. Okay, equation IV into 3, that is 15x plus 21z, okay, equal to, that is 29 3s are 787. Okay, 3 9 is 27, 7 3 2 is 6 plus 6 plus 7 8. Okay, now this is 87. Okay, now here equation I is what? That is multiply by 5. Okay, multiply by 5, we get 15x minus 25z equal to minus 5. Okay, now it is equal to what? Minus, plus and plus. This is cancelled, and this is what? That is 5 plus 1, that is 6. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 46z is equal to what? 7 5, that is 12, and 8 plus 1, that is 92. Okay, or you imply that z equal to what? That is 2. We need we have to value z equal to 2. Okay, and if we put the value of z in this equation, that is equation first, we get here 3x minus 5 into z, that is 2, okay, equal to minus 1. 3x minus 10 equal to minus 1, or implies that 3x equal to that is 10 minus 1, that is 9, or implies that x equal to what, that is 3, okay, and x equal to 3 and z equal to 2. Putting in this equation, last equation, that is triple I equation, that is x equal to 3 plus y plus z equal to 2, that is 5. So 3 plus 2, 5. So implies that y equal to what? 0. So we have find out the value, that is x equal to 3 and y equal to 0 and z equal to 2. So our required vector, that is vector d equal to what? That is 3i cap plus 2k cap. Okay, 3i cap plus 2k cap. Now this is question number 13. Now move to question number 14. Question number 14. Find angle between two vectors. Find angle between two vectors. Find angle between two vectors, vector A and vector B, having same length, root 2, okay, having same length root 2, and their scalar product, that is vector A dot vector B equal to what? Minus 1. Very simple question. Okay, same length koichi, that is cos theta equal to what? Vector A dot vector B, that is minus 1, and same length, that is root 2. So root 2 into root 2, it is equal to minus half. So theta equal to what? That is 2 pi by 3. Okay, now move to question number 15. And question number 15. If vector A and vector B are two vectors of same magnitude, such that angle between them is 60 degree and vector A dot vector B equal to 8. Find magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B. Find magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B, and it is coming on AI 2016. So we have vector A dot vector B equal to what? Sorry, cos theta equal to what? That is cos theta equal to vector A dot vector b upon magnitude of vector a into magnitude of vector b. Okay, or implies that same magnitude कहिछि, that is magnitude of b are ଆମେ magnitude of a लिखि परिबा cos 6 theta ର value 60 degree, that is cos 60 degree. Okay, a dot b, that is 8 upon this is magnitude of a into magnitude of a because same, or implies that cos 60 degree, that is half equal to 8 upon magnitude of a square, or implies that magnitude of a square equal to 16, or implies that magnitude of vector a equal to 4, taking positive sign because length is positive. Okay, so magnitude of a equal to magnitude of b equal to 4. Okay, so we have discussion the objective question number 1 to 15. Okay, in next class we discuss question number 15 to question number 16 to question number 13. Okay, so till that, take care. Thanks to all of you.